Looking into Ollama, how we can run open source model on your local computer without internet connection and without developing on any cloud providers. So to download Ollama, you have to go to ollama.com, and you can download it. It is going to give you an exe file, and once you have downloaded that, it is loading up. I will show you quickly. What you need to do is you need to just do run Ollama, and you need to check the you need to go to Ollama. Once you go to Ollama, you will be able to see the web tool, and it has been talked a lot because it is one of the easiest and the fastest way to run open source models. So this you can run Llama 3, and all those details are there in the GitHub as well. I will close all the browsers to run Ollama properly, but you can see Google Chrome takes up lot of space, so you can just click download. You will get the file here, Ollama setup. Run the exe. Once it is done, if you have a slow PC, then I request you to close all the applications like all the Chrome, so that the Ollama will run smoothly in your system, because it takes up lot of space. So just waiting for this to close. And the benefit of Ollama is that, as I was mentioning you, I am closing everything so that the only Ollama is running. I have before this video I downloaded Llama 2, and it was around 4.5 GB, and you can also you just click this. If it is not there, it is going to so I have to do like this: Ollama first and then run Llama 2. So first Ollama, then can you see that 3 dots that are happening? So it is loading. If it is not installed, it is going to download it. For me it is already downloaded, so it will take couple of minutes to do this. So the requirement for this, if you want to run it in a proper system, you need at least 16 GB RAM, so that it runs smoothly, and a lot of hard disk space. So I can write right here what is the best path to learn AI. So it just give couple of seconds. So depending upon the speed, the process, you will be able to the output will come. In the way I have used Ollama-Run Llama 2, initially it took me 5-10 minutes to if it is not there, to download it. After it is downloaded, then it is going to when you run this, it is just going to ask you a prompt. So this is a CLI, code level interface, way to access Ollama. And any model you can, there are a lot of options. There is Llama 3, there is Gamma, there is all the open source models that is available. And by the way, this is on my local system, Llama 2, and it is taking time because of my RAM is less, but I wanted to show all of you how this is working. So if you can see that the output is coming in, and I request everyone to try out this, to try out Ollama, to download it, to run different models. There are a lot of use cases that you can do, but this is the first way to run Ollama on your local machine, wherein you can have option to integrate any large language model that is there. So now you can see the way this is coming up. It is slow, but this is because of my as I mentioned, but the demo, if you see, if it is a faster RAM, if it is a if you have lot of GPUs and you have a good RAM, then the answer is going to be faster. So it will take couple of seconds. I don't want to keep you waiting, but this is the way you start running Ollama, in the next few videos I will look into how we can use Ollama for code level implementation as well. Thank you for watching.